Good day everybody. Today I will demo a BDD solution for UI. This is the feature file and its details goes here. I will kickstart the execution, and as the demo progress I will be providing more information. So for this demo I have chosen YouTube as application under test, followed by web scraping of data from UI will be performed. Then scrubbing of extracted data will be accomplished. At the end, reports will be generated using AI and data science. First, the YouTube is launched now. The search is conducted using the search keyword. Now, the video related data will be web scraped from the UI. Extracted data will be cleansed. The following reports will be generated: plot graph, scatter chart, bar graph, histogram, and pie chart. Kindly note, except histogram, all other graphs generated are two-dimensional comparison in nature. So the web scraping of data from the UI is in progress. So the web scraping of data is completed and report is being generated now. So this is the first report, plot graph. Here, the view count and duration are plotted with basis of published number of month. So if you notice the highest view count, this is the view count, and the highest view count is somewhere around 48 or 50, somewhere around 24 or 25. And this is the first graph. Keep an eye on the peak counts. Next is the scatter graph. Here view count is scattered based upon the published number of months, followed by bar graph. Here view count and duration are designed in their comparison. Then the histogram, which groups the view count. Finally the pie chart, where the duration is grouped by view count total are generated. So this is the duration. This is the various durations which are present, and these are grouped by the total view counts. So if you notice, the 48 duration is having a highest view count of 26 percentage, and 24 view count is having a equal percentage of 26. So rest of the things are, let us also review the report generated by the BDD. So this is the report generated by BDD. This is the overall status. So there is one feature and 8 stories, that is scenarios. Let us move to the sheets. This is the sheet, and these are the various sheets which are present here. Let us quickly navigate to the graphs. This is the graph area where different graphs are being generated. Let us quickly navigate to the timeline, and this is the timeline. This is the timeline details. Let us quickly navigate to the behavior, and this is the feature file. This is the feature, and these are the various scenarios which are being there. So let us quickly review one of those. So this is the scenario. So this is the details. Summarize: web scraping of data from UI are performed, then scrubbing of extracted data is executed, finally followed by report generation using AI and data science. All these are accomplished using Python. Thanks for your time and watching. Kindly I request you to subscribe and like the channel. Thanks.